I'm going to unbox something, guys, together with you guys. So I actually got this thing from a subscriber and a friend on YT. Yes, a very good subscriber and friend on YT. So I think you know Corazon. Yeah, if you know Corazon. No, just kidding, guys. So yeah, if you want to unbox with me, guys, keep watching. So yeah, guys, today is Friday, everyone, and as you know, I am supposed to go to a training today, but you know what, guys, the train which I was supposed to take going to the place where I was going to have my training was actually canceled, guys, because of another demonstration. Yeah, another strike here in France, guys. So yeah, that's really it with my morning. I woke up at 5 a.m. today, but unluckily that's the thing that happened. So yeah, I had to come back home and I couldn't go to my training, so I don't know what's gonna happen. Well, anyway, yeah, so I tried to sleep. Yeah, with this I woke up like this. Yes, guys, of course I already put makeup and stuff like that because I was ready to go to my training, but yeah, that thing happened. So anyway, the thing is, when I woke up from my nap today, someone rang the doorbell and someone sent this one, guys. Someone sent this to me. This one, guys, you know where it is from. Yeah, do you know where it is from, guys? You see? Oh my god. Yes, guys, that's right, guys. I've got a package from someone, everyone, someone who is very thoughtful. You know, we have just known each other on YT. Yes, we haven't met in person, but I don't know, the feeling is so good. I mean, yeah, I can feel how good he is. Yeah, and she he is very thoughtful, everyone. So yeah, thank you so much. And yeah, guys, let's unboxing moment, everyone. You see, I'm wearing my shorts and I am here in my office. Yeah, this is my office, everyone. We have a very big table. This table, yeah, here. Anyway, let's go back to unboxing. Okay, what do I need? I cannot open it just with hand, so we need something. That is my eraser, eraser teacher. Scissors, everyone. We have scissors here. My magical pink pencil box. Pencil case, not really box, but pencil case. So yeah, let's just open it, guys. Oh my god, this is by airmail, par avion. Par avion in French, by airmail. In French is par avion. Yes, so this is international standard. Yeah, international thing. Yeah, so this is for Catherine, and that's me, everyone. And who is the sender, guys? Who is the sender? Can you guess who the sender is? Can you guess? Keep watching, everyone, so you will know who the sender is and unbox with me. Okay, let's open it, guys. Let's open. Wow, it's very well packed, everyone. You see? It's well packed. You see? It's well packed. Well packed, everyone. Yeah. You see? Yeah, guys. So let's open it. Opening it is. Okay, here we go. Are you guys excited what's inside? Because me, I am excited as well. Of course, you know, every gift means the world to every person, you know. A gift, especially unexpected ones, you know, it's very nice. I mean, everyone is excited to have that, you know. Every gift is a treasure. Pinahirapan ako nag-sender. Pinahirapan talaga ako nag-sender. It's well packed, guys. It's like The sender doesn't want me to open this. No, just kidding. Of course, it's well packed because you know it's international thing. You know, it's from another country. Oh, another country. So that means it's not from France. Oh my God, bakit mo ako pinahirapan? Uy, I cannot open. I can't open, guys. I can't open, guys. Almost. No, pinahirapan talaga ako nitong taong to, ha? Joke. I love you. Thank you so much, my dear. Oh my God. It's so thoughtful of you, you know? You know who you are. Do you know who this person is? Keep watching, guys. I'm gonna tell you in a bit. I have to open this first, okay? Yeah, guys. I have opened it. You see? I have opened it. Yay. Let's open, guys. I saw the pack, guys. The pack is very beautiful. Look at the pack, and that is my favorite color. Pink. Oh, is it pink? Yes, a little pink, yeah. Guys, look. I've got a gift. I've got a gift, everyone. You see? Yeah, guys. Oh, look how this person prepared it and packed it. You see? Wow, ribbon. My ribbon. Ribbon it is, everyone. So, another unpacking. Oh, okay. Let's go. It's easier this time. Yeah, there you are. There you are. There you are. There I am. So, yeah, guys, you know, I am always very I am always very touched, everyone, every time I get a gift from a subscriber, you know. It's very unexpected, but yeah. Let's open it, guys. Oh, there you are. It's soft, guys, soft. Yeah, let's watch it. I can see the name, guys. Cath, Kidston, original London. Oh, London. So it means it's from the UK. Everyone who is from the UK. From the UK, guys. I've got this one. Look at that. It's from the UK. Cath, Kidston, original London. It's from the UK, guys. This is a very cute bag. Okay, let's open. Let's open another thing to open, guys. It's not finished. It's endless opening, guys. It's endless opening. Yes, let's open because it's like that. It's a kind of a tiny little bag. It's a tiny bag, and then the zipper here, and we open it. I think there is still something inside. Something inside, everyone. Yes, of course, there's another thing inside. Oh, this is very beautiful. And look at that. It's my favorite color. Pink, guys. Pink. You see? Pink. That is my favorite color. Yeah, guys, you might not be able to read the name, but it's Cath Kidston. Yeah, because I'm using the front camera. Yeah. Oh my God, everyone. Oh my God, guys, I cannot remove. Wait, teacher, you're very excited. How to do it? Oh my God, I'm gonna break it, guys. Oh, I think it's attached. It's just, you know, it's just a kind of thing where the bag is in, but it's attached, everyone. You see? Oh, I'm so excited. Yes, guys, it's bag, of course, bag, guys, and it's very nice because, you know, oh my God, I'm so happy. Thank you so much, because the thing which is a pack or where the big bag is here, and it's like a pocket of this bag. Let's see how it is. Let's see. So pocket like that. Ah, yes, guys, you just have to reverse it like that, and it's in fact the pocket of this bag. It's very interesting. You see, the zipper is here. There's double zipper because one zipper is inside. It's reversible, and it's actually the pocket of this bag inside. Look at that. Look at the inside, everyone. It's very big. You see? Yes. Oh my god, look at that. It's very good. I heard, guys, this bag is very popular. Of course, it's from the UK, and I'm not sure if you guys know Kris Aquino. Kris Aquino has a lot of collections of this brand, Cath Kidston, from the UK. Yeah, London, original London. Yeah, guys, oh my god, I've got a bag, everyone. Sorry guys, forgive my jacket. I have some dirty thing here, but never mind. Yeah, here we go, guys. Oh my god, it's very beautiful. Oh my god, teacher's very short. Yes, 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 guys, I've got a bag. I've got a new bag. What do you think about my new bag, everyone? Yeah, my new bag. Oh my god, thank you so much. So it has a sling, guys. Yeah, it's a sling bag. You can adjust, make it longer. You see, it's longer, and you can make it shorter, of course. Oh, I just love this so much because you know the color. Oh my god, white and the pink. Oh my god, and it also has a pocket here in front. Yeah, big pocket, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful, and you see the quality is very good. Oh my god, thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much. Yes, guys, who sent me this one, guys? Of course, guys, there's no other person who is the best friend of Corazon. Welcome to another Getaways with Noel. Yes, guys, I got this from Noel, guys. Noel Tawataw, that is Getaways with Noel. Yes, a big shout out to Getaways with Noel. Yes, thank you so much, my dear. I really appreciate this thing from you. And yeah, it's a oh my god. Oh no, I'm very touched, guys, because you know I did not expect, you know, unexpected things are really very how can I say, precious, and it's a treasure, you know. Yeah, for me, I don't know with you guys if you are the same, but yeah, that's how I am. Yeah, thank you so much once again, Getaways with Noel. Thank you so much. So yes, guys, Getaways with Noel is a vlogger as well. Yeah, his channel is Getaways with Noel. Yes, guys, so his channel is all about his getaways, of course. Getaways with Noel. Getaways means vacation. Yeah, getaways in Europe and different places. Yes, especially in Europe, and it's very informative, guys. So yeah, anyway, Getaways with Noel, thank you so much. Hi guys, I have a new bag, guys. Very beautiful, and this is very useful because my bag, I think I'm gonna change my bag, and this is it. Yes, guys, I have a new bag. I have a new bag. Forgive your teacher, guys, for dancing, okay? I'm just so happy for this. So yeah, big shout out to Getaways with Noel. Noel, guys, is from the UK, and yeah, he is a very supportive subscriber of mine, and of course we have become friends on YT as well. So yeah, thank you so much, my dear. Yeah, so that's really it for this unboxing, guys. Oh my god, and of course, guys, advance happy birthday to this person, this sender, guys. Advanced happy birthday to Getaways with Noel. I wish you all the best, and of course stay healthy all the time, and I wish you more getaways with Noel. So yeah, guys, thank you so much. So that's really it, everyone. So yeah.
say